Hi guys, how are you today? We are going to be starting here on part 9 of the build. We are going to be working on the steering column today. So this title of the video is going to be the steering column assembly for the Porsche 911 RSR, which is still up. Alright, so let's get cracking here. Let's get building, I should say. That is what we're building. The steering column is going to be on the road today. Alright, so let's get at it. That is a 5-axle with a little collar on the top here. And that is what it looks like so far. And those are the pieces for the steering column and the steering wheel. That is the steering wheel here, and we're gonna build that in today. Alright. Looks the same as up here. Alright, next page here. Now we need a second one of those. That part up there, which is that one here. I had to swap out that one for a grey one. I had the wrong one in. Now I have the right one in. Alright, so we are going to have a look how all that is going to fit onto the car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera over here. And I'm going to put the car over here. Like so. Because we are working on... Yeah, we are working here on the front end. So let's have a look. Yeah, that part there is that part there. So it's somehow gonna go on here. It's gonna be pressed on there. You know, the camera is picking that up. Because it's getting dark outside there, and we are getting very, very little light. So yeah, I'm gonna have to work with what I have here. So that is gonna be pushed in there, and that is gonna be pressed down like that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And we are in. That one there. That's better. I had to adjust the AF. I don't know what the AF means, but we are good again. We can see a lot clearer here. I had to switch off the AF. So what we did was we added that part here and this part here. That is all part of the steering column here. So let's get going again. We're gonna build the next piece here. Alright, next piece is the 5. And and that one will go across here like that. It will go across here. This piece here, like so. Might as well put the camera over here. See if we can see any better here. So I'm going to put the piece across there now. And we're in. That piece right there. Alright. I'm going to put the car aside, because we have something else to build, and it's this part right there. So let's get on with it. That piece is gonna probably go here somewhere. I think it's that piece right there. So let's find out where that will exactly go. So that is where the piece went. Right in there. There's the piece here. Yeah, it's getting kind of dark. So that is the piece that we just built. It went in here. So let's continue on. Okay, next part is we have to build this piece here. So that is another angle. Another angle here. And we need a shaft with a stopper at the end here. Alright, so something like that. So let's see where that piece will go. There it is. That is the steering. It's going to be the steering here. So that piece went in here. It's this. That is where the steering is going to be connected later on. And there it is, the steering column here for the steering wheel. Let's continue on. So we are moving on to the next page here. Now we need this white piece here. It's a 9 hole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And let's see where that one will go. Went on here. Down at the bottom there. That's where it went on. That piece there, alright. So we're on the next page here, and we need one of them. So let's see where that one will go. I'm going to put the car back up here, because we are working on the car. I'm going to put the camera up a little bit. So let's see where that one will go. And I think that one will go right in here. Right in here is where that one went, right in there. So let's have a look at the next page then, which is over here. Now we need to build the steering shaft. Need to build the steering shaft here. Therefore we need, I don't know what you call these things here. Those are universal joints, I think they are. Universal joints here. And we need a little shaft, what we have, and we need the red shaft as well. So let's get going. This little red guy here. Then we need that universal thing here. We're going to stick it in at one end, and we're going to stick the other end. How do they want it? Like that. They want it like that. So that is the little red shaft in the center there. And I think we may have to put on the sticker as well. So let's see how they want it here in the description here. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put this guy onto that shaft here and have this little shaft going through here. I think that's the way they want it. And then the steering wheel is going to go on there. So that's it. Let's do that. So here we are, guys. That is what I'm talking about here. That's the steering that we just put on. You can see it's turning because all those parts here, that one and that one, those are all universal. So you can see that turning nicely. So what we have left are here that little sprocket, the steering wheel, and that square piece, and we need to put on the sticker as well. So let's move on to the next page. And here you can practically see an outline of it. You can see an outline of that, of how the steering works. We're gonna move on to this page here, and we need to put the sticker on as well. Here's the steering wheel, and we're gonna put the sticker on. As you can see, the stickers are all numbered, so we're gonna put on number 39. And here's the steering wheel with the sticker on there. Brilliant. Look at that, guys. Nice. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick on that little sprocket here onto the steering column, and we're gonna stick on the steering wheel as well. So let's get going. We're going to put the car down here. I'm going to put the camera over here. And I'm going to put the steering wheel on. First of all, we need to put on that sprocket, which will go onto this little shaft right here. So let's do that. Yeah, you guys can see that. Turn it that way a little bit. Are we rolling? Yeah, we're rolling. Put the little sprocket on first. There it is. It's on. And now we're gonna put the steering wheel on. We're gonna flip over to the next page here. Just for that. Just to check how the steering wheel is gonna go on. Now we need to be very centered here. We need to. We're gonna go like that. Yeah, and we're pretty much on. Steering wheel is on, guys. I might show that again tomorrow. But now you can turn the steering wheel, and the wheels on the front are turning as well. Look at that, guys. Is that awesome or what? Looks like a car already. So the steering wheel is straight. The wheels are straight. I'm gonna turn it. Brilliant. Awesome. Nice. So that is it for the steering wheel. We have used a sticker. So let me know in comments below what you guys think of this build. And this is part 9. I don't know if I mentioned that in the video or not. It's part 9. So yeah, I think the next bits are going to be something different. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the build so far. It looks more or less like a car right now. Brilliant. Thumbs up, guys. And thumbs up to the company that made the Legotechnic. I love this sort of stuff, so thanks to them. Nice car once it's finished. And yeah, we will see you in the next one, guys. Bye bye.